Dragonfruit apple milk smoothie or apple dragonfruit milk smoothie. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the apple recipes and one of the most unique of the dragonfruit smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the dragonfruit drink recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the dragonfruit apple drink recipes and one of the most unique of the apple smoothie recipes. We're going to make dragonfruit apple milk smoothie. Around 150 grams of dragon fruit cut in pieces, 50 grams of sugar, around 100 grams of apple peeled and cut into pieces. Now put in the dragon fruit into the grinder. Put in apple and put in the sugar. Close and grind well. Now the apple and the dragon fruit are nicely ground. Pour in around 200 milk into the blender. Close. Now the milk, dragon fruit and apple have been nicely blended. Now the dragon fruit apple milk smoothie is ready and can be poured into the glasses. Now pour in the milkshake or smoothie into the glasses. Dragon fruit apple milk smoothie or dragon fruit apple milkshake. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the dragon fruit drinks and one of the most unique of the dragon fruit smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the fruit smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the apple recipes and one of the most unique of the apple smoothie recipes.